So me I try show you, you know. Me I try show you say me I go about my business, you know. You see what me I say? And get me fire shot off of me, you know. But yet still everybody I can have something different for your talk. You see what me I say? I watch me I try show you now. When me they jail, you know, for 6 years, you know. War a go on a Riverton. Blingers them a war with Shabba. Blingers them a war with Crime Town. And them a war with Blue in the youth them. 3 set of man that. Blingers link with Gully Bank man them. Blingers link with KlLLLNG man them. So KlLLLNG, Blingers and Gully Bank are one team. You understand? So what you want now? Blingers, the man them kill 5 man from Crime Town, you know. Why you understand what I say, you know? Blingers them are this saint, you know. When I do nothing at all, you know. Me they are jail, you know. Blingers them kill 5 youth from Crime Town. The man them kill my little brother. Man them kill Do Road. To a youth named Orion. The man them kill Ocean. Man them kill Donovan, to my next cousin. The man them kill a youth named Bobo. 5 youth that from Crime Town, you know. Shabba youth them now. The man them kill Mengs. The man them kill Ratman. The man them kill Bulubai. Bulubai and Ratman are brother. You understand what I say?
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, click on another video too. But you guys just hear that youth here from Riverton, one of the Don youth them, and he might talk about Samo, the Bling crew, all sort of crew, and what's going on. But yo, so far, him say a 10 man dead. This man is just calling out people them name. Man we dead from some mix up, and it seems like, not seems, there is no reason for this violence. Yo, it is incredible. I'm wondering if I'm chuckling, but it's a nervous laughter, because I am wondering if the Jamaican Constabulary Force, the National Security, the so-called technology with them have and intelligence, are they listening to these stuff? No, this is just Riverton, you know. This is not entire Jamaica. We not talk about the rest of Kingston and Mobile and Westmoreland and over all what's going on. This is just one little side of one community where we want dump, because Riverton is a dump. Let's go and listen to this, and I'm gonna interject back and forth, but this is crazy. I can't believe this.
And the man them kill a youth named Bubbles. 4 youth that round Shabba, you know, and 5 youth that from Crime Town, you know. That are when me that jail. Blingers them kill, you know. So why you see how seeing Blingers them is, and them a businessman, you know, and that's all them do a business, you know. But why you see how much man them kill right now from Crime Town and from Shabba, and plus Blue in the youth them. You understand? Cause them lick down Stefan father, them lick down African son, them lick down the said Indian youth where them they put me out wanted for. You understand? Blingers them do all of them thing there, brother.
So the youth here say Blingers a businessman them, but them a gang member, and them a kill out you them in the neighborhood. Now more know who is this Blinger? Who are these Blinger? Is it a gang out there in a Riverton Oh, we don't hear about this. Oh, the police them not talk about this. Eh? The police should have talked to this man right here. Let's go. I hear some more about the blingers them and what's going on. This is incredible.
You understand? The man them kill Sambo. You understand? The man them kill Sambo. Pay the man them pay for kill Sambo. Blingers them time them me a para blingers. I will me know Sambo make Oga dead. But I want you to use a power upon the blingers. You see me? Sambo make Oga dead. And when Sambo make Oga dead, the man them send a slap with Sambo. This one has the same Billy. Billy himself run our money for slap with Sambo. And the man them go lick with Sambo. Right out on the road front. Blingers them do that, you know. Somebody just show me give you over 10 murder already, you know. Blingers them, but yet still, me want somebody to tell me one of them murder, yeah. When me just cause say, I know blingers them kill. The man them kill a youth named Neil. You see what I say, man them kill a youth named Neil. You see what I say? From upper top Riverton, blingers them do that, you know. Me have a little 16-year-old brother-in-law when me there jail. Where Kemi and a youth named Indian, them call him Nani. Police killer one day. Kemi and Nani kill my little 16-year-old brother when me there jail in a brother.
Now, when you hear the amount of killing, and this is just Riverton, I'm even wondering if any of these killings are recorded. Yo, Jamaica is a wicked place. Yo, is the most dangerous place. Now, all of them murder here, you know. People in the community know about it, you know. Know about it. And guess what? Them not talk, them afraid. Cause if them talk, police are gonna tell the bad man them about them. And police are gonna now go help them. What kind of society is this? For real. Let's go and listen to some of this. Because the youth we are talking, you know, it makes certain points and it makes certain valid points. And me go jump in when he make them point there. Let's go and listen. It's a long video. Me go make it in a 2 parts. You understand? So this is the first part.
That's what I say. My little 16-year-old brother, you know. Brother-in-law, you know, when me there jail, you know. So you see that the man them kill 5 man from crime town since me there jail, but 5 youth round Shabba and plus couple blue in the youth. That's what I say. Watch this now. You have a selector youth where he come from KlLLLNG when named Jordan. That's what I say. One selector youth named Jordan, him named DJ Fire. Sitting on there on Facebook or Instagram, DJ Fire, something like that. I don't remember my name, but his name DJ Fire, something like that. My dad, blingers them, Kemi, Kirk, and Ricky brother. He was one of the boss them for blingers. Ricky, I one of the boss them. Kirk, I am Ricky brother. Kirk, Kemi, Fowler, Kiddy, same Richie, they will shoot off of the soldier them. Where the soldier them all were there. You see the youth, I tell you about name Jordan, the selector youth. The man them beat the selector youth in a Batman. Chop big stone in the selector youth head, you know. Stab him up, you know, run steal through him, you know, and go dash with the youth body, you know.
Now, I'm wondering, how can people live in a community and have a decent life with all of this? And from this guy speaking, it's just like a certain set of guys them which is doing this in the neighborhood them. And that go from Jungle to Cockburn Pen to Seaview to Mobile, everywhere. It's just the same damn thing. It just seems like this country has no turning back. I don't think Jamaica is gonna come back. with Jamaica, yo. This is crazy. Them drop a big stone in the man head and go dump him body.
Not even say dash him body, because when them do it, them end up if they carry him go, like him show him on a little car and never left him car. Be a go start jam. I tell you, say the man that more than 7 men from Blingers do that, you know. But Kemi, Kirk and Fowler, and they said one day where the soldier them one, Richie, I one of the main man them will beat that selector youth to frazzle in a youth. But what? The youth never dead. And the youth have to end up running from Riverton. So me just try to show you how saint and nice Blingers is, you know. So you see the same youth the name Bolo by the same one there, you see the soldier them all one name Richie. Him and Nani kill the local youth, kill Bolo by, you know. So the whole of them man there, we do the whole of them murder they during the time they are jail. We say them a war with Blingers. Who kill them? So me want somebody tell me, say none of them man the name of me call and no Blingers kill them. Somebody just tell me who killed them man there. The 5 youth them from Crime Town, Orion, my little brother, Donovan, Ocean and Bobo. I want to tell me who killed Mengs, Bubbles, Ratman, Bolobai, Neil. I want to tell me who killed Sambo. I want to tell me who stab up Jordan, dump big stone in his head, do him all type of things, make him have to run out of the place. I want to tell me who do all of them there, you know. You understand? I still have wholly more youth where the man them kill when they dip on my mind right now. At this moment, but they so I chat to your family.
Now, you hear the man say, enough youth and enough murder and enough things are go on we're not talk about. So with me I wonder now, that's what I was saying, it seems like a lot of them killing you and a lot of them things are go on. It is not reported, or you don't know, maybe it's not known. Only certain high profile murder and killing them put in the paper. So I am saying to myself, how can anybody live in an environment like this? Even though I'm born and grew up Jamaica, you understand? How can anybody live in an environment like this? Yo, that youth are talk about the killing them. And to me, none of it makes sense. More than, yeah, that man are dead and a them man that over there to kill him. We have to kill them back. Yo, them man are linked with Bling them. Bling them are linked with Wharf Dog. And that's what it is. That's all it is. I can't see anything substantial where would approve for all the bloodshed and all the killing. And here it goes. You kill my family, me I kill back your family. And I understand that. Cause my brother dead, I'ma feel like the people them will kill him for go missing. Yeah, them family look for them. But you are, me let the law deal with it. You understand? Cause me know, if me not make the law deal with it, I am going to get into a quagmire. But Riverton and the war we are going on Riverton is not unique to Jamaica. It is an epidemic, and I'm just trying to figure out, how do people go about their lives? I guess they go about their lives by blocking out their environment and just focus. Me I go school, me I go work, and that's it. And lock up in my house. But like me say, Jamaica have a serious issue. Once again, like me say, I noticed the Prime Minister is using the police and the military heavily. Prime Minister in back away from the man them in the community and the people them, and he must send in the police to kill them off. So I guess he's frustrated with the situation too. Whereas Michael Manley and Siaga them kind of have a different tactics. Cause them are going there, them are talk to the gunman them, and them are tell the gunman them for put on the gun directly. Andrew Holiness is not like that. Anyways, this video is quite long. I'm not gonna end it here, so I'm not gonna put up the other part of the video. But this is mind-boggling. It's very revealing. We know so them things are going, but when you hear a gangster explain what's going on in the community, and always remember now, Jamaica is a small place. The member of parliament, them know what go on. The parliamentarians, the government, them know what go on. Them a get the intel. But like me say, I guess them leave them to kill off themselves. And these people neighborhood just disintegrate into whatever chaotic lifestyle. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. But this is mind-boggling. Very revealing. May I play the next video tomorrow. The part 2. I'm out.